Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining me again on Tech Tuesday, my favorite day of the week. Last week, we had an introduction section where we did a quick Google form to see how comfortable we were with technology and where we were on the SAM-R model. Now, most of us found that we were between substitution and augmentation. But today, we're going to learn how we are going to be able to move right on up that SAM-R hierarchy. Now, the app that we're going to focus on today is called Today's Meet. And I actually want to take you out to the home page so you can see what it looks like. Today's Meet is a simple app. I wanted to start you off really smooth and easy and something that you could easily implement into your classroom every day. Now, most of us have parking lots, correct? Right, because we have to in our school. So instead of having the children get up and write there on their post-it note and post their question in the parking lot, they can type their question. It can pop up and you can see it. You can have it projected, and then you can answer the questions whenever appropriate. So it tones down on some of the distractions in the classroom, as well as keep the children engaged in what they're doing because they want to ask a question. They want to be able to type. They want you to answer their question. All right. So again, the app we're going to focus on is called Today's Meet. So you're going to go and you're going to type in todaysmeet.com in your address bar. This is what you should see. Then you can go to open a new room. I'm going to teach you how to open your own room. So you have to find a name that fits. Testing 1, 2, 3 never works. So I just type Educational Technology 605. Looks good. All right. That's how you know when you see the green check mark that is you're good to go. Then you want to decide how long are you going to keep the room open for? 1 week, 1 hour, 1 year? Whatever fits you best. I usually leave it open for an hour or two. Then you can pick who can join. Anyone, login users, and then you can decide if you want to have a password or not. And then you open up your room. I already have a room set up for our little preview. All right. So you click open room and it takes you there to this page. Today's Meet Educational Technology 605 preview. So when you want to talk, you would type in a nickname. See, Aikens, that's my nickname. And then you could type, "Good evening, everyone." And it pops up. See? Good. Now, how do you get the students to join? Well, before you start your lessons, you would tell your students to go to this small URL right here. Okay, it's today.io/1s741. Or there's a QR code, but I just keep it simple with this tiny URL. And then they join. So I'm going to join from my cell phone to show you how easy it is. All right, so I'm going to pretend, okay, class, let's join today's meet. All right, so I typed it in. And I'm going to join now. All right. I'm here. I'm typing on my phone right now. And so I joined from my phone using that tiny URL. All right. And here's me. And I wrote, "I'm here." All right. Now, if there's something that's inappropriate, like, okay, Cece, that's inappropriate for class, you can always delete it. But you can always tell the children, this is for questions that pertain to the lesson. So say if we're working on states of matter. What are All right, so I asked the question, what are the states of matter again? So I could say, all right, well, someone wants us to know, go back over the states of matter. And I'll go, gas, liquid, solids. so forth. All right. So this was a quick app that I wanted to share with you guys that you could easily implement into your classroom. All right. I really hope that you all use it, and I would love to see what you do with it. All right. Have a great day.